because I can fit in more stuff and it's easier for me to carry because I just put on my hand and that's it. I can go. This is the back. As you can see, the red lining on the side and on the top. This is what makes it unique, and they actually price it higher than the rest of the crocodile Birkins that they showed me. So you see the red lining over here. Beautiful craftsmanship. I think I will do another video on what the essay offered and how I got my Birkin. I must say I'm pretty lucky to get it, but sometimes you don't have to there are actually a lot of videos to say like how you get Birkins, etc., but I think they're not really true because based on all my experiences in getting my Birkins, it's a different story, you know, of how I get them. So yeah, maybe I will do a video on that, and so you can watch, like, you know, how I get my Birkins. Okay, so yeah, that's all my unboxing, and I hope you guys love my video. If you like my video, click on the like button. Alternatively, click on subscribe, or click on both buttons to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So here is my purchase for the largest purchase for this year, the most exciting purchase of this year, my crocodile Posorus Birkin 30 in gold hardware and blue sapphire contour, of course, one of a kind in this world. So yeah, maybe in the future I'll take videos of me holding it or pictures of me using it. Okay, so till here my 17-minute video, I would have to say bye guys, and see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching. Click on subscribe and like button. Bye.